create a Facebook page from scratch. Whether you are planning to start a Facebook page for your business or for your content creation journey, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook page, step-by-step process on creating a Facebook page. Make sure you watch to the end because I have an important information to tell you about Facebook monetization at the end of this video. Firstly, you have to enter your Facebook page. Sorry, your Facebook. So when you get to your Facebook, click on the picture at the top right, yes, left, right, at the top right of your phone, your picture you are seeing there. Click on it. Don't worry, I will pinpoint it. Then you see pages. Click on pages. So when you get to pages, click on create. And you see two options here. That's personal. Use another personal profile to explore face. That means you're trying to create a new profile because profile is different from a page. So, but this one they wrote professional. They said build a public presence or promote your brand on or business. So that's what you want. That one to help you create a page. So you just click on next. Then you click on then you have to give a name for your page. Okay, let me just create this. I'm doing this for a sample, so I'll just create my name is Eno Special, so let me just put Eno Special on as the page name, but you have to use the name that you want. Then you click on next. You wait, then you have to put what category best describes you. So you have to search a category that best describes you. If you're a food business, you can type on food here. Let's see, food business owner or restaurant. Okay, we have food and drink there. You can click on anything that best describes you. If you want to be using it for your content, anything you want to be using it for, if it's a relationship content, you just type on maybe relationship. Let's see if anyone will appear there. Okay, it's not even appearing. Maybe you can say family, marriage. Okay, family therapist, anything that best describes you, just click on it. If you can put a business that is close to your business and just search for it and put that category there. You see, I was able to search for content. I was able to say content creation, but anyone that best describes what you do, just click on it there. Then click on create. Give it time to create. It will load and your page is already up. Then that's it. So you have to write a bio. Bio is something that introduces you. Hey, you can just write something unique about you. You can say I'm a relationship coach. Or you can just move that safe. Just start with relationship coach. You can just put slash like this, or yes, relationship coach, virtual assistant, community manager. Just put what you do there, or maybe you can just say I film my life every day and post something like that, something as short as that. Something as short as that. Then we have page heads. Okay, sorry, we have a contact. If you have a website, you add it. If you don't have a website, you leave it. Put your email address there. You add it. Put your phone number there. Put your location. These ones, they are actually optional. You can try to add your location or not, your zip code too. To get your zip code, just check on Google to know the zip code of the place that you are currently. You can put no hours available. You can put always open 24 hours. You can put your standard work hour. If it's a business, you can say Monday, Tuesday. Just be editing. Maybe you open by 8 a.m. on Monday, you edit it the way I'm doing it now. You click on it to 8 a.m. That's if you are creating it for business. So you put your working hours. You can go back and do that yourself. Then click on next. Then you have to put a profile picture. You put a profile photo and a cover photo. Then you click on next. Then you can invite your friends. You can just click on select 1000 and click on next. It will invite all your friends to follow your page. Then you're already getting started. But I don't want to do that now because this is just a sample page. So I'll click on next. Then you have stay informed about your page, market and promotion email. You can just click on these buttons so that you can be getting notification about you can turn them on to be getting notification about Facebook and their products. So you can just click on done, or you can just unclick them if you don't want to, and click on next. Then you are done. Your page is ready. Just start posting immediately, but you have to make sure you put your profile, your email address, those things are listed. Make sure you input them as you are creating them, or you can just edit them. When you are done creating the page, you can go back and edit them. To edit it, you can go to your I believe settings, edit here, then start editing, put your profile picture and the others. You see everything, your email, WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number to your page, so that when somebody sees your product, you can just chat you up on WhatsApp from your page immediately. So that's it. You're already here. Just get started and can start posting immediately.
So yes, that is the easiest way to create a Facebook page. See, if you are monetized and you don't know the next step to take, I have a course for you, something that will help you to be able to set up your payout account. In the course, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a team, how to set up your payout account, and also how to create a dollar account if you are living here in Nigeria. I'm going to be teaching you how to create a dollar account in the course. So the course is I actually recorded my screen while setting up my payout account. I know that it's very difficult for people to set up their payout account. It's very difficult for most people to do it, and you don't want to make a mistake, because if you set it wrongly, your payout account will just be declined. Yes, so that is why you should actually take my course. You will see the what to fill in, the correct information, how to fill each field step by step. I'm going to be showing you in that course. The course is valued at 5,000 naira only for now, because the price is actually going up. So I'm just doing this offer for so that you can get it and just take the course. If you are trying to monetize your page, you have to get it. If you're already monetized but you are yet to set up, you have to get it. And this course is going to be helping you set up your payout account the right way, helping you create team, helping you also create a dollar account. So just click on the link on the comment section to get yours. And you can always ask me questions under the comment section, and I will be there to answer you. Do it to subscribe to this channel, because this channel you're going to be learning simple little techie skills that will help your business and your content creation journey grow. Thank you so much.